up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Mulan Lee channel. And as you read that title today, girl, your girl is going to Cancun. So the next clips after this will be me prepping and packing for my Cancun trip. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, like, what are you doing? Click that subscribe button right now. Go do that right now. But if you are already subscribed, welcome back, Mulan gang.
Stay fast. I told you, give me a minute and I'll be right back. 50 million around the world and they said that I couldn't get. I done got so sick and filthy with binges I can't spit. How you gon' be talking shit? Shout it, you just got a pit. How you gon' hold up a belt when we know you ain't even with it? I know you read the paper, the one that they call a queen. Every radio around the world know me 'cause that's where I bleed. Stay fast. I told you, give me a minute and I'll be right back. 50 million around the world and they said that I couldn't get. I didn't got
type of money you gon' lose sight. Type of money you gon' lose right. From the hoes, type of money make you stay away. Type of money she gon' let you put it in the fire. Big bank, tight, little bank. Big bank, tight, little bank.
Everything proper, no propaganda. Tropicana go yard batten down. Big sack, a lot of hoes like Santa. Threw a birthday party in a phantom. Big like a dinosaur did it. And you know, did it shining like a acrylic. Yeah, I sold dope and had cornrow. I can see you nigga hang with the door closed. Now I'm looking for a glove with a sparkle on it. And my CBD got chocolate on it. Big bank takes my
Type of money you gon' lose sight. Type of money you gon' lose right. From the hoes, type of money make you stay away. Type of money she gon' let you put it in the fire. Big bank, tight, little bank. Big bank, tight, little bank.
Everything proper, no propaganda. Tropicana go yard batten down. Big sack, a lot of hoes like Santa. Threw a birthday party in a
I had a COVID appointment test. I just want to thank XrsBeautyHair for sending me this straight 20-inch silky invisible clear lace. They also sent me these 5D minks, some clips, a comb, an edge brush, an elastic band, and a wig cap, and some flexi rods. I just want to thank them so much for sponsoring this video.
My life can get crazy. But baby, I'm thinking maybe we could agree to work it out like this.
Hair by Crowned by Kaya. I will be putting her Instagram on the screen as well as on the description box. Y'all go book. Here's an inspo pic of how I want my nails.
More babes in a bath house. Top gun on my Tom Cruise. Life for keeps and I don't lose. You're more than love it 'cause I'm cool as a breeze. So pick a poison, yeah, I got what you need. Nonchalant, got the green on rotation all night. We gon' keep it psychedelic like a cat in a sim, catch a wave on us. Take a shot, make a friend, just enjoy the moment. Blue sky walking on these haters. Celebrate every day like a birthday. Then come to those that wait up. Don't wait to jump in too long. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. Falling on my haters. In my 23s, having a Jordan moment. Falling with the paper. Ice all on my chain. I just bought two, hope you staying up. Hanging with the gang, that shit dangerous. I can fuck you with my chains, them shoes take a look. Come and catch a wave, take one out my cup. More babes in a bath house. Top gun on my Tom Cruise. Life for keeps and I don't lose. You're more than love it 'cause I'm cool as a breeze. So pick a poison, yeah, I got what you need. Nonchalant, got the green on rotation all night. We gon' keep it psychedelic like a cat in a sim, catch a wave on us. Take a shot, make a friend, just enjoy the moment. Blue sky walking on these haters. Celebrate every day like a birthday. Then come to those that wait up. Don't wait to jump in too long. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. Falling on my haters. In my 23s, having a Jordan moment. Falling with the paper. Ice all on my chain. I just bought two, hope you staying up. Hanging with the gang, that shit dangerous. I can fuck you with my chains, them shoes take a look. Come and catch a wave, take one out my cup. More babes in a bath house. Top gun on my Tom Cruise. Life for keeps and I don't lose. You're more than love it 'cause I'm cool as a breeze. So pick a poison, yeah, I got what you need. Nonchalant, got the green on rotation all night. We gon' keep it psychedelic like a cat in a sim, catch a wave on us. Take a shot, make a friend, just enjoy the moment. Blue sky walking on these haters. Celebrate every day like a birthday. Then come to those that wait up. Don't wait to jump in too long. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. Falling on my haters. In my 23s, having a Jordan moment. Falling with the paper. Ice all on my chain. I just bought two, hope you staying up. Hanging with the gang, that shit dangerous.
My camera had died, so I'm just gonna upload the finishing look of my nails on the screen.
All right. Deep breath.
Woo!
Okay.
This was my first wax, so I put the camera down. I did not film the whole thing, but it was tolerable, but it did hurt. I'm not gonna lie, but 10 out of 10 will recommend. So I wanted to get into this hair and like tell you more about this hair. Y'all get this hair. It's so soft. It is thick. It's 200 density. Cause y'all know I hate a thin wig. This is lace, baby. Like you can't see the lace. It's an invisible lace. The wig did start off black, as you can see. My sister turned the wig to this maroon color. It took dye well. It's very soft, minimal shedding. And yeah, get into it. It is a 20-inch, but it looks much longer because like it's touching my back almost. This is the end of my video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Follow all my social medias. They will be linked in the description box as well as on the screen. And yeah, keep watching. Stay tuned because I have more content coming for you guys. Love you.